everybody. What we happen to have on here is a 408 Windsor Stroker. I'll tell you, this happens to become a very popular engine and one of our best runners. This thing is fantastic. This one happens to have the MSD Atomic EFI on it. Again, we've been using this, to me right now, is the best system out there. It simply has a handheld feature that you answer the questions, RPM, what have you, set all the parameters up, and this thing runs flawlessly. And it's very simple, a couple wires, and that's it. This motor actually will be making about 500 horse. It's only one of our 450 packages, but again, we just happen to have good air temperature and things running great right now, and make about 500 horse. Let's go to the dyno. Well, there you have it. 408 Windsor Stroker, be about 500 some horsepower. Again, that thing is unbelievable running engine. We custom build here in-house each and every engine that we build. We can custom paint for you, provide you with transmissions. The choices are yours. 1-800-267-3940. If you want the best, forget the rest. Proformance Unlimited. There is no other. Thank you.